Bandit! Oh, are you defending Tiger Cat? Ooh. Your daddy's not very happy now. Well, Bandit, I saw that. That was a mean attack. Poor Casey. Poor Casey. All he wants is his chair. Come on, Casey. Come on. Not you, Tiger. Not you. Casey! Get down. Get down. Get down. Tiger. What are you doing? You're just looking for trouble, aren't you? You're just looking for trouble. You see, Tiger is stalking Casey. Let me out of here. You're really being a brat, Tiger. Oh, jeez. You can't win, Casey. You can't win tonight. Nobody's gonna let you have that chair. They're not gonna let you have that chair. I don't know what you're gonna do, buddy. Tiger! Oh. Hey! Oliver! That wasn't nice. There goes that damn thing again. This is the most unbreakable Christmas ornament I've ever had the pleasure of trying not to break. Oh, look at this. You know what? You're being a pain in the ass. You're all being a pain in the ass tonight. And it's only 6 o'clock. Oh, jeez. No nuts. Stay out of the nuts. Oh, poor Casey. She's just thrown me out to the wolves. Let me out of my misery. Throw me out the door to the wolves. They're probably more pleasant than Tiger is. But at least they'll like you. Totally out of control. It's supposed to be warmer tomorrow, guys. You're all going out tomorrow. May all be going out tonight if you don't settle down. Oh, there's a nice. Do you love Bandit? Do you love Bandit? Bandit. Bandit, play with this. Oh! Oh, you're fast.